Okay. So what is photosynthesis? That we have to understand first. Okay. So what is photosynthesis? It is the process. The process in which the process in which in which all green plants all green plants absorb carbon dioxide from atmosphere through stomata, which present on dorsal surface of leaf, and also absorb water and water from the soil through roots. Okay, and converts these inorganic substance to substance into food. Okay, that food is called glucose. Okay, in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll.
Evening, sir.
Good evening, beta. And chlorophyll. Okay, this process is called as photosynthesis. This process is called as photosynthesis. Okay, I'm going to write the reaction for that. 6 carbon dioxide plus 6 H2O equals to gives C6H12O6. Okay, it is the glucose and forms oxygen gas which releases into the atmosphere. Okay, so I'm going to write here sunlight. Okay, and here chlorophyll. Okay, so this is the process of photosynthesis. Okay, understood the process of photosynthesis? We have already discussed in nutrition part. First part of the nutrition we have discussed about the photosynthesis also. Okay, so this is the photosynthesis process and this is the photosynthetic reaction. Understood, beta? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this process we have written here in a very simple way, but this reaction is not quite simple as we are considering. Okay, it is a very complex one. Okay, so the photosynthesis, I'm going to write more detail here. Photosynthesis process is not is a very complex is a very complex process which completes in series means many series of events. Okay, this is not a simple process, it is a very complex process which completes in many steps or many events, or we can say the series of events. Okay, and on the basis of the dependency of light, that processes are majorly divided into two categories. Okay, photosynthesis process is divided into two categories, two parts. Photosynthesis process is divided into two parts. One is called light dependent reaction, or it is called as light reaction. Light reaction, and other is called as dark reaction. Called as dark reaction. Okay, so light reaction means light dependent reaction. Light dependent reaction, and dark reaction means light independent. Light independent reaction. Okay, so on the basis of the requirement of the light or not, both, the major part of the photosynthesis reaction is divided into two categories. One is called light reaction, which is also called as light dependent reaction, and another is called as dark reaction, or it is also called as light independent reaction. Okay, so now we are going to understand about the light reaction and dark reaction. So before going to start the session, I want you all to take a screenshot for that. Everyone, wait a second now. Yeah, is it visible, everyone? Visible, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so take a screenshot, then I'm going to start the light reaction now. Done? Should I erase it? Do reply, beta, if you are taking screenshot.
Sir, done.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. Wait a second. Huh? Now we are going to start the light reaction. Let me read it first, because we will need place for writing. Okay, so now we are going to discuss from your notes. Okay, I think you all have this notes now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are going to start the light reaction and dark reaction. So photosynthesis process is very complex and it completes in two phases. Okay, the first phase is called as dark light reaction, and the second phase is called as dark reaction. So photosynthesis is the process of conversion of light energy into chemical energy. Okay, which can be utilized by the all living organism in order to produce energy, and that energy drives the functions in the organism's body. Okay, and it is rather complex. It is a very complex process which can carried out in the various stages. Okay, so the photosynthesis process is divided into two main phases. One phase is called as light dependent phase. The first phase of the this is the first phase. The first phase of the reaction photosynthesis is called as photochemical phase. See, I am underlining here, very important. The first phase is also called as photochemical phase, and it is also called as light dependent process. Okay, and this phase is commonly known as light reaction. Okay, it is commonly known as light reaction. Okay, because light is required to initiate the first phase of the photosynthesis. That's why it is called as light reaction. Now, second phase. The second phase of the photosynthesis process is called as biosynthetic phase. Very important, biosynthetic phase here, that chemical energy is converted into the compound of carbon, like carbohydrate. Okay, of the dark reaction of the photosynthesis, this phase is called as light independent process. This is called as light independent process, and it is commonly known as known as dark reaction. Dark reaction. Dark reaction, it doesn't mean the reaction will take place in dark, in a night time. No, dark reaction means the light independence reaction. That means second phase of the photosynthesis will carried out in daytime. Okay, but to perform the second phase, light is not required. Okay, that's why it is called as dark reaction. The whole process of the photosynthesis takes place within the chloroplast. So the dark reaction and light reaction, the light reaction and dark reaction, both the processes takes place inside the chloroplast only. Okay. So now we are going to discuss about the diagram first. Then we will discuss the theoretical part. Okay. So see here, the first part, it is the green colored. Okay, it is called as thylakoid. It is called as thylakoid. Okay, then we have the second part. This is the green part, which is distributed all over the chloroplast. Is called as stroma. Okay, and this one is called as chloroplast. This is the structure which is cell organelle is called as chloroplast. Okay, so the first reaction, see, the sunlight which falls on the plant, okay, where the photosynthesis reaction takes place, in presence of light energy, that thylakoid becomes more active and it converts light energy into the chemical energy. Light energy into the chemical energy. This is the part of first reaction, which is the light dependent reaction called light reaction. Okay, here H2O molecules are being absorbed and oxygen gas is released during the first phase of the photosynthesis reaction. Along with, this is the first part, this is the second part, along with ATP molecule and NADPH are released. Okay, ATP is adenosine triphosphate and NADPH means nicotinamide adenine diphosphate. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the light reaction. Okay, in light reaction, what happens, that light energy is converted into chemical energy, and in second reaction, in here Kelvin cycle is given here that chemical form which is formed by the thylakoid, which get converted into the carbon compound by using carbon dioxide gas. Okay, so this is the process where light energy is stored in the form of food, okay, by the plant. So you understood diagram? See here, carbon dioxide is being absorbed here. Okay, and sugar molecule is formed, and sugar is nothing but carbohydrate. Okay, okay. So now we are going to discuss about the light reaction and dark reaction in detail. Okay, so what is light reaction? As stated above, photosynthesis occur in two phases. One is light reaction and another one is dark reaction. So it is the first and it is the second process. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about the light reaction. Okay, so you have to understand each and every point precisely because very important part we are going to cover now. So the light reaction is the light dependent process. It is the light dependent process because to initiate this photosynthesis process, light is required. Okay, that's why it is light dependent process, which include the series of event. Okay, that include the in first step many events takes place like absorption of light, hydrolysis process, then release of oxygen, and the formation of ATP and NADPH. Okay, all these are nothing but the events in the light reaction. Okay, beta. Now, the light reaction of photosynthesis initiates only in supplied with light energy. Very important. Okay, so the first process of the photosynthesis called light reaction. Okay, the light is required for to initiation the process. Okay, that's why it is called as light reaction. The photosystem of the arrangement, see, photosystem is nothing but the arrangement of, okay, arrangement of pigments, okay, including chlorophyll and thallocoids. Okay, there are two photosystem in the plant. One is called photosystem 1 and another is called photosystem 2. Okay, so photosystem 1 includes absorption of light. Okay, photosystem 1 includes absorption of light, okay, within the range of 700 nanometer to 680 nanometer. Okay, whereas photosystem 2 absorb light of wavelength of 680 nanometer. Okay, the light reaction occurs in thallocoid only. We have already been discussed in diagram that in thallocoid only the photo, see here we have thallocoid. Okay, so photosynthesis completed in two part, from where first part is takes place in thallocoid only. Now next part. Okay, so the
Your voice is breaking, sir.
voice is breaking. Everyone, his voice is breaking. Everyone. So the light reaction occurs in thallocoid, okay, of the chloroplast. Chloroplast contain thallocoid and where first process of photosynthesis takes place. When the light hits the chlorophyll, okay, when light rays falls down on the chlorophyll get excited to the higher energy level or an higher energy state, okay, followed by the series of reaction. Okay, many reaction takes place during the conversion, okay, or during the first phase of the photosynthesis. In this, this energy is converted into energy molecule in the form of ATP and NADPH. Okay, so the ATP and NADPH are the energy rich molecule. Okay, by using PS1 and PS2, also hydrolysis occur and release the oxygen. Okay, so the main system of the plant is to absorb carbon dioxide and to release oxygen gas. Okay, beta, now I want you all to take a screenshot for that also. Okay, now take a screenshot.
Done, sir.
Everyone done?
Yes.
Okay, from here you have to take.
Done, sir.
Now, dark reaction is the second phase of the photosynthesis. Okay, it is the second phase of photosynthesis. Okay, so let's start. The dark reaction is also called as carbon fixing reaction. See here, the chemical energy which is formed during the first phase. Okay, what happens? What was the process in first process in the light reaction? The light energy is converted into chemical energy. That chemical energy is going to fixed in second reaction where light is not required. That's why it is called as dark reaction. Okay, so another name we have for the dark reaction, it is the carbon fixing reaction. Okay, it is the light independent reaction. There is no light is required to proceed the dark reaction. That's what is called as dark reaction. Okay, in which sugar molecules are formed. Okay, the like carbohydrate which contains 6 carbon atom. Okay, like glucose is formed during the process. Okay, and from carbon dioxide and water molecule, that sugar molecule which is carbohydrate which is formed by using carbon dioxide and water molecule. We have already understood in the reaction like 6 H2O plus 6 CO2. Okay, so here 6 molecule of water and 6 molecule of carbon dioxide are used to form 1 molecule of C6H12O6 along with oxygen gases releases. Okay, this is the process. Okay, so the dark reaction occurs in stroma. Stroma means the green part which is present inside the chloroplast. Okay, this green part. Okay, this one. Okay, this is the green part called stroma. Okay, where the second means the dark reaction takes place there. Yeah. So plant capture the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through the stomata which present on the whole plant, but they present in large numbers in dorsal surface of the leaf, and proceeds the Kelvin cycle, where Kelvin cycle is proceed and which helps to convert the chemical energy into the carbon compound form. In the Kelvin cycle, ATP, adenosine triphosphate, and NADPH, nicotinamide adenine diphosphate, formed during the process. Okay, during the light reaction, which used in the dark reaction, and the reaction and convert 6 molecule of carbon dioxide into the 1 molecule of sugar. Okay, 1 molecule of sugar, and which is called as glucose. Here we have already understood in this reaction. Okay, here 6 water molecule, 6 carbon dioxide, they combine with each other to form 1 molecule of carbohydrate. Okay, which is called glucose. Okay, and oxygen gas is released into the atmosphere. Okay, but understood this part?
Someone's in the waiting room.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, again, I want you all to take a screenshot for dark reaction. Take a screenshot now. Done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. So, any doubt here?
Sir, can you
No,
explain
sir, no.
again?
See, what happens in first part of the photosynthesis, in light reaction. What happens there? there light energy is converted into the chemical energy. Okay, and in second process, like in second phase in dark reaction, that chemical energy is converted into the compound of carbon like glucose. Okay, and which do not require light, that's why this is called as dark reaction. Okay, and this process of the fixation of the energy in the form of carbon compound takes place in stroma of the chloroplast. Okay, so we can say here the inorganic compounds like water molecule and carbon dioxide, plant uses them and converts them into the glucose molecule, which is nothing but the food for the entire organism. Okay, they directly or indirectly depends on the plant. Okay, and that plant perform photosynthesis process. Okay, and that photosynthesis process completes in two steps called dark reaction and light reaction. Okay, beta. So I'm going to disconnect the session, then we will rejoin to complete our next part, and next part will be the difference between light reaction and dark reaction. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so let me disconnect, then we will rejoin again. So everyone do join the class within a minute. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.